Hey friends, if you're looking for a simple way to boost your energy, reset your system, and sneak in more greens, let me introduce you to my absolute favorite green detox smoothie. I promise, this is not one of those just hold your nose and chug kind of drinks. This smoothie is actually delicious, super refreshing, and takes just 5 minutes to make. Alright, here's what you'll need. A handful of fresh spinach, half a cucumber, 1 green apple, the juice of half a lemon, a small piece of fresh ginger, about a thumb's worth, a frozen banana, and about a cup of cold water or coconut water. Optional, but I love tossing in a tablespoon of chia seeds for fiber and a few fresh mint leaves for that vibrant kick. Let's talk benefits for a second. Spinach is packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Cucumber hydrates and flushes out toxins, while green apple gives that natural sweetness and a dose of fiber. Ginger and lemon, they help fire up your metabolism and wake up your taste buds. And frozen banana makes everything silky smooth. Now just toss everything into your blender. No need to be fancy here. I always start with the liquids at the bottom, then pile in the greens, fruit, and seeds on top. Blend on high for about a minute until it's totally smooth and all those colors come together into a gorgeous bright green. Pour it into your favorite glass and take a moment to appreciate how fresh it smells. Seriously, there's nothing like that hit of mint and ginger first thing in the morning. This is perfect for breakfast, post-workout, or anytime you need a quick pick-me-up that actually feels good and tastes amazing. Now, here's a little tip. If you want to make it extra cold and thick, freeze your banana overnight or toss in a few ice cubes before blending. Feel free to play around with the recipe, add avocado for creaminess, or swap spinach for kale if you like a stronger green flavor. Remember, don't stress about being perfect. It's all about nourishing your body and feeling your best. Give this green detox smoothie a try and let me know how you like it. Hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more healthy, tasty recipes. Thanks for watching and here's to your health.